Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us see how we can open a .plf format file into Primavera P6. A .plf file is a Primavera layout file which stores information about screen layouts. Kindly make a note that there are 5 types of layouts in Primavera, namely Activities Layout, Projects Layout, WPS Layout, Resources Layout, and Tracking Layouts. If you want to import any .plf file, first you need to be on the same screen on Primavera matching with that of .plf layout. So, if you are importing an activities.plf layout, you need to be on the activities screen in your Primavera, or else it will be popping up an error message. So now let us see how to open a .plf file format. First, be there on the activity screen on Primavera as we are importing a activities.plf file now. First, go to View tab, click on Layout, submenu, and click on Open Layout. Click on this Import button. Browse the .plf file in your local drive and click on Open after selecting it. Give a name to your layout now and choose to whom it will be available, whether to your current user or the current project, or make it as global as per your wish. Now click on Save button to save this layout into your database. The layout is now imported. Let us open the layout now. Simply select the layout and click on Open. This is the layout that has been imported now. So I am selecting this and I will click on this Open button. That's it. You can view your screen changing as per the imported layout. You can observe, right? So friends, in this way, you can use .plf files to import and export your layouts in Primavera P6. If you try importing an activities layout into WPS screen, you will get an error message saying the file is not a valid WPS layout. Let us give a try. Go to WPS screen now and try importing the same activities.plf file. And you can see the error message popping up as said. Got it, friends? So in this way, you can use .plf files in Primavera P6. If you have enjoyed this video tutorial, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.